via Solana MEV Master Guide, PumpFun Sniper Auto Trading. 2025 Ultimate Sniping Strategy Unveiled. Dive into Solana's meme coin chaos with this in-depth guide to the PumpFun Sniper bot. This Solana MEV bot empowers you to auto-snipe new tokens on PumpFun with laser-sharp precision. From quick wallet setup to seamless trades, this video breaks down the ultimate PumpFun strategy. Why this bot leads: razor-fast sniping, grabs meme coins at launch; auto-trading bot edge, trades smoothly with no effort; PumpFun crafted, built for Solana's meme coin hub, easy for all, setup that clicks for newbies or pros; real-time advantage, outpaces every token drop, built for traders ready to lead Solana's DeFi scene. Video timeline: 2:29, 0:100, Intro to Solana, MEV bot power, 0:10, PumpFun Sniper bot breakdown, 0:30, Fast wallet setup tutorial, 0:50, Live auto trading showcase, 1:10, PumpFun strategy secrets, 1:30, Advanced sniping techniques, 2 o'clock, Pro tips for DeFi success, 2:20, Final strategy wrap-up, Kickstart your DeFi game. Subscribe for elite Solana sniper bot guides and auto trading bot tactics. Drop your questions in the comments.